Yeah. Today's topic is called as an inheritance. Okay, make sure that one inheritance is also one of the pillars in the OOPS concept. Okay, this is one of the most important concept. From these pillars, we'll continue for the remaining concepts of the OOPS concept. Okay. Okay. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Any idea what is inheritance? Mm. Yeah, yeah. There is a two classes, okay? One is super class, another one is a subclass. Okay. There is a two class in a class body. Okay. I will call the first class as a class A. I will call it as a second class as the class B. Okay. Class A giving the properties to the class B. Okay. And class B is accepting and acquiring the properties of the class A is called as a inheritance. Okay. Giving a properties to giving a properties and acquiring and accepting a properties from one class to the another class is called as inheritance. Giving the properties or acquiring or accepting the properties from the another class is called as inheritance. Okay. See, sir, for acquiring the properties, we have to make use of extends keyword. We have to make use of extends keyword. I will let you know in the practical program also. Okay, just listen the points, important points. Okay, and inheritance is also referred as a easy relationship. Okay, inheritance is also referred as a easy relationship. Make sure that one in interview, some interview they will ask, write a program on is a relationship. Is a relationship is nothing but inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but is a relationship. Okay. Some of the interviews they will ask, tell me the write the program on is a relationship. We have to write the inheritance program. Okay. In inheritance, only variable and method is inherited. Okay. And blocks and constructor cannot be blocks and constructor cannot be inherited. Okay, these are the main important points for the inheritance. Okay, now what is inheritance? The process of giving a properties to the one class. Okay, the process of accepting and acquiring the properties from the super class is nothing but inheritance. For inheritance, we need a extends keyword. Okay, inheritance is also referred as a easy relationship. Okay, inheritance can be inherited by the variables and methods, and it cannot be inherited by blocks and constructor. Okay, na? You know how many types are there in inheritance? How many types are there in inheritance? How many types? Yeah, the first one is single level inheritance. Okay, the first one is single level inheritance, multi level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and last one is multiple multiple inheritance. Okay, there are five types in a easy relationship: single level inheritance, multi level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Okay, in Java, make sure that explicitly we have to give possible single level, multi level, and hierarchical. Okay, explicitly means what? We have to write the code. Okay, explicitly possible these three types. Okay, multiple inheritance, it is not possible in Java using a class body. Okay, using a class body. Using interface, I can achieve the multiple inheritance. Okay, if this is a very important education, I will let you know in the end of the session. Okay, and hybrid inheritance, I will let you know while explaining. Okay. Uh, what? But these three are very important, and this is also very important in while in the interview part. Okay, these three is explicitly present in the Java. Okay, multiple inheritance is not possible using the class body because of the ambiguity of the diamond shape problem. I will let you know. Okay, write these points. We'll see one by one. I will give notes also end of the session. You write these key points. Okay. Any doubts in this? Okay, what is the first type? Single level inheritance, right? Inheritance means we have two classes. One is super class, another one is subclass. Okay. See, in what is mean by single level means the subclass is acquiring the and accepting the properties of super class is nothing but hmm, single level inheritance. The subclass is accepting and acquiring the properties of the superclass is nothing but single level inheritance. Okay. For this relationship, we have to use of which keyword? Extends keyword. Okay. Make sure that one in easy relationship, extends is denoted as the this arrow key, and implement is denoted as like this arrow key. Okay now. Okay, in easy relationship, there is a two keyword. One is extends keyword. Extends keyword is denoted as this arrow key, and implements is denoted as the this arrow key. Okay, this is called as a superclass, right? Superclass is also called as a okay. This one is called as okay, and there is another name. Okay, this is called as a base class, and this is called as derived. Okay. The subclass is acquiring and accepting the properties of the superclass is called as a easy relationship. Superclass is also called as a parent class or base class, and subclass is also called as a child class and derived class. Okay. What is the second type of multi-level inheritance? Okay. In multi-level inheritance, we are having the three classes. Okay. A, B, and C. Okay. Any idea what is multi-level inheritance? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. What is multi-level inheritance? Multiple classes. Okay. Assume there is three classes, right? Huh? For B, which is the superclass? A is the superclass. For C, B is the super. B is acquiring the properties and accepting the properties of A class, and C is acquiring and accepting the properties of the B class. Assume this is a grandfather, okay now? Okay. This is a grandfather, father, and son or daughter, okay? Huh? Here for father, there is only one son or daughter is cutting, but single level inheritance. Okay, here grandfather, father, and son and daughter. Okay, for B, A is the superclass. For C, B is the superclass. Can I make C as a superclass A? Is this possible? Yeah, it is possible. That will become as a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, I will let you know. Now you keep in the mind multi-level inheritance means for one superclass there is a one child class. For one child class there is another sub-child class. Okay. Huh? B is acquiring the properties of the class A and class C is acquiring the properties of class B. I will let you know in practical also in few minutes. Okay. Write this diagram. We'll discuss with another two types of inheritance and we'll start by the programs. Now, what's the time? For hierarchical inheritance, for one superclass, there is a two subclasses is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. Okay, for two subclass, if I have one superclass, it is called as multiple inheritance, and it is not possible in Java using class scope. Using class scope, it is not possible. Using interface, it is possible. When I teaching the interface part, I will teach you how to do multiple inheritance in using interfaces. Okay, now. See, listen carefully. Suhas, can you stand up? Come this side. Yeah. I'm taking one class as a father. Okay. Here I'm initializing int age is equals to 40. Which type of variable this is? Huh? Non-static variable. Sir, you are not using static keyword. For that sake, non-static variable. Okay, now. Okay. Here I'm taking another class. Son. Okay. Here I'm printing some another variable called as a string. Name is equals to ding. Okay. Suhas Manga. Okay, na. Here I'm taking a string name is equals to ding. Sir, if it is non-static properties, I have to make what is mandatory? Public void main. Object creation is mandatory. Uh, okay, I will come. I will create afterwards. Okay. Okay. What is single level inheritance? What is single level? Child class should be inherited. What is the second point in inheritance? For inheritance, there is a keyword called as extends keyword. Here I should extend here the superclass is father, subclass is son. Okay, son is extending the father classes. See, if I use extends the keyword, this property will automatically will come into this class. Okay, this property or this variable will automatically come to this child class property. Okay, okay. See, now I have to create the object. If it is non-static variable, I need to create the object. Okay. Here I should create the father class object or son class object. Son class object, right? If I create father class object, I will get only the age 40. Okay, if I create sun class object means I will get both 40 and name also. Okay, now how to create the object? Sun. Yes, new keyword or operator? Operator. New sun. What is this one is called as? Constructor is all automatically created during the object creation. Okay, if I give sun like this circle parenthesis means it is a default constructor or parameter constructor. It is a default constructor, right? Okay. Now I need to call this name and age. How to call the name and age? SOP sun dot age. Sun dot age. अथवा s dot age. We have to make use of object reference name. Okay, s dot name. I told you, right? If I give extends keyword, it is automatically come into this class. Okay, if I call s dot name, I will get the name as a. Okay, if I give s dot age, I will get output as a 40. Okay. How Java will understand, sir? How Java will understand? How Java will understand? How Java will understand this program? The every the entry point of the Java program is main method, right? For the first step, it will check the main method, then the scope of the main method, then will automatically the controls comes here. The new keyword means it will create one memory spaces with some random object reference, and it is reference to the object reference name. Okay, okay. In this block, it will store age property. What is age? Okay. Now I created the sun object, right? If I use extends keyword, the age will be coming to this class. Okay. Now age will be stored. Then what is name? Okay. Huh? Then again the controls comes here. The name age will be printed here, name will be printed here, and you will get the output. Okay. Now open your laptop, execute this program. Okay. Bold is not clear. So bold is not clearly visible. Okay, okay. I will cross check with that. Just concentrate. I will explain in practical also now. Mm. Everyone create a new project called as an inheritance. Click finish. What is the next step after creating the project? You have to create the package. File new. Package. Com dot. Here I will take a single level. Okay now. Okay. Here I will take the one class name as a control n. Class. I will take a class name as a father. Okay. Int age is equal. Okay. Then again, see, I can do all the three classes in a single class body. Okay. For your easy understanding, I'll be taking another class. Okay. Control and separate classes. Uh, okay. This father I will replace here. Okay. Yeah. In son, I'm giving a string name equals to here I should make use of extends keyword. Extends father. Okay. Okay. Then again I will create for the main method another separate classes. Okay. Control N. Sorry. Class. I will give the name as a test. Okay. What is the main method in Java? Public static. Okay. Here I should create the object of father class or son class. Okay. Son. New. How to call the variables? S dot age control S and now I should run which if I want the output now I should run which class? I should run test or father or son. Sir, you have created main method in the test class. Sir, you have to run the test class. Okay. See, now I'm getting the output as a 40 manga. Okay, now this is the example for the single level inheritance. See, if you are using, I can use all these three classes in a single class body. Okay, but make sure that one, uh, uh, the main class name and the file name should be same. Okay, if I use these three classes in single class body, I should change the file name as a test only. Okay, because the main class name is a test, right? Uh, Any doubts in this? Okay, execute the program. Listen carefully, everybody. Listen. I will write on UML diagram. Okay. Huh? Based on your UML diagram, you have to build a multi-level inheritance program. Okay, now. Hmm? college. And this is the UVML diagram, right? Yeah, listen here. We will call this diagram as a UML diagram. Okay, most of the company will follows the UML diagram. Okay, they will give UML diagram. You have to build the programs and you have to submit the reports. Okay, see here I have taken three classes. Okay, the first class is university. You have to print university name as a string, and what is this one is called as? It is a method, right? If I put circle parenthesis means it is a method. Conduct exam. Okay, you can take university name as a VTU. Okay, VTU is the famous university, right? Even I also studied in VTU. Okay, conduct exam. Then I have taken another class as a college. In college, you have to print college name and provide placement. Okay, now. Then you have to take another class as a department. Okay, department name and fetch method. Okay, in every department they will do fetch, right? Huh? Okay, now you build the program. Okay, and then you have to create another class as a main method. You can take class main. Okay, if I create a object for this class, how many properties I will be displaying? If I create object of this class, one na. Okay, here two na. Four, right? See, inheritance is happening. Assume multiple inheritance, yeah. Multiple inheritance. Huh? What about this? Okay. For college, superclass is university. For extend, for department, superclass is college. You have to give college extends university, department extends college. Then you create the main method. Okay. Create an object for this for three classes also and show me the output. Okay, now make it fast and show me the output. Any doubts in the question for the online class students? Bold is not visible. Okay. Okay. For online class students, right. Yeah. Listen carefully for online class students. This is we called as a UML diagram. Okay. In first class, I will be taking as a university. The class name is university. Okay. In university class, the variable name should be university name, uh, followed by string data type. Then you have to create one method, conduct exam. This task is for multiple inheritance. Okay. Conduct exam. Okay. Conduct exam followed by void. Okay. Then I am creating another class name as a department. Department is followed by department name. Department name should be in string data type. Then again, one method name is provide placements followed by void data type. It's a void return type. Okay. Then followed by another class name as a mm, sorry. After university, you have to create a college. Okay, not department. College name. I will make this department as a college name. College. Uh, now the screen is visible, right? Yeah. See, this is the UML diagram for the multiple inheritance. First, I'm taking the university as a super class. In this university class, you have to build a university variable name and conduct exam on method. Then you have to build another class as a college, and you have to give college extends university with college name and one method name called as a provide placement. Okay, and then again. Okay. Then again, you have to create another class name as a department. What you guys are doing? Huh? Department. Here also department name. Department name. You can take like CS, ICMS. It's depends upon you. And department name should be also in string data type. And you have to take one method name as a first. It should be return type as void. Okay now. Huh? See. The university is a superclass. For university, subclass is college. For college, subclass is department. I have to follow college extends university, department extends college. Okay. Then you have to create another main method as a class name as a main, and you have to create the main method. Then listen carefully. First, after the main method, create an object for the university. Okay. Then print the statement. We will get how many properties? Two properties. Okay. If I create object for the college properties, how many properties I will be getting? Kindly let me know in chat box. If I create objects, yeah. If I create object for the department means six, right? Yeah, super. Now, in main method, you have to create for the object for every classes and show me the output in the chat box. Understood? You got the output? Everybody. So here I will create one more object. Sorry, package called as com dot multi-level. Yeah, done. Huh? Overall completed. Can you raise your hand? Only one. Make it fast, guys. In university, I need name and function, right? For name, I will be taking you at least respond, yeah. String equals to VTU. Okay. What is the method name here? What is the method name? Everyone respond. Only that girl is present in the class. Huh? Yeah. Void conduct exam. In printing statement, I will be printing as a VTU is conducting exams. Okay. What is the next class? TULLEG college. Okay. College I will take here. College extends university. Okay. What is the variable name here? What is the variable name? Hey boys, respond, yeah. String name. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ string name is equals to okay we'll take V stand for you ಆಯ್ತಾ assume college name as a V stand for you. Yeah, provider. Oh, still not provider ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಸೀಸ್ ಔಟ್ V stand is providing. Okay, what is the next class? What is the next class name? Yeah, only that girl is present in the class. Only that girl is present in the class. Hey, at least respond, yaar. Boys, ಅದೇನ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಏನ್ ಕತೆನೋ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿನಾ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ suggest some name it should be related to this program for main method suggest some name it should be related to this program ಎಚ್ ಒ ಡಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ here I will create university object university you you dot U dot U dot conduct. For method there is a no need, right? Oh, then again I will be creating college object, right? How to create the college object? College. ಮಿಗ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಿರೋ ಏನ್ ಕಥೆನೋ. C dot name. I can call these properties also, right? Using a college reference. Okay. C dot name. Wait. Instead of giving like that, then again, mm, C dot. Okay. C dot. Yeah. Next department ಅಲ್ಲ department D equals to new department here I should take D dot, right? Um, D dot D again sys out D dot system. Okay. Why it is showing error? Why it is showing error? ಯಾಕೆ ಎರರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಎರರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? No, I have created no 3 objects. ಹೌದಾ ಪಕ್ಕಾನಾ? ಶ್ಯೂರಾ? Yeah. The object should be created at the first, then followed by printing. Which line? Comment ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. See, I'm getting V stand for you providing placement, VTU. Okay. If I create the first class object, I will be getting 2 properties. If I create second class object, I'm getting 4 properties, then followed by 6 properties. Everybody done, huh? Finish. Any doubts for online class students? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, I will write on another UML diagram. Okay, now regarding about the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, you have to build the program. Fast to start to fail. ಹಿತೇಶ್, ನೀನ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ನೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾ, see this UML diagram is example for hierarchical inheritance. Okay, there is a one superclass, multiple subclass or child class, I will call as a derived class. Okay. See, listen carefully. You have to create three classes. Or okay, superclass is vehicle. In vehicle, the variable should be string brand. Okay, then give some values. Okay, random values. Then you have to create car class, and you have to create one variable, one method. Then you have to create bike class, fuel variable, and stop as a method. Okay, listen carefully. For car, extent should be vehicle. For bike also extent should be. Okay, see, we have to create two objects here. Okay, in hierarchical inheritance, two objects is mandatory. Okay, because car gunu super class vehicle hai, bike gunu super class vehicle hai. Okay, if I created this object, car object, ಎಷ್ಟು properties ಬರುತ್ತಾ? If I three properties, right? If I create bike object, three properties. Okay, now you have to create this program according to the UML diagram. Then you take another class as a main method. In main method, you create class of car object also, bike object also, and show me the output. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I will call random person. You have to come here and you have to execute this program. For online class students understood, huh? Or I need to explain in the notepad. Let me know in the chat box.